representing our midgut. And if we look at how it forms the primary intestinal loop, then we can see that this has this part which is the cranial limb and this part which is the caudal limb. Cranial limb को हम proximal limb भी कहते हैं और जो हमारी caudal है this is the distal limb. ठीक है? अच्छा, ये बन गई है primary intestinal loop. ये मैंने यहाँ पे क्यों लगाया है? अच्छा, this is to show you that there is a conical dilatation in the caudal limb which is called the cecal part. This is representing the cecal part. Okay, अब आप ये देख रहे हैं primary intestinal loop and when viewed from in front, which means your position, आप सामने से देख रहे हो ना सारे, it is going to rotate 270 degrees counterclockwise, इसको anti-clockwise भी कहते हैं. अच्छा, 270 degrees means 3/4 of a circle. ये बात तो सबको समझ आ गई है. So now what happens is that when this primary intestinal loop is herniating into the umbilical cord in the 6th week of development, it is at that time that the initial 90 degrees of the counterclockwise rotation occurs. अब वो जो initial 90 degrees rotation है, I'm going to perform that rotation. इस rotation की वजह से the position will be like this. You understand? तो जो cranial limb है, वो अब कहाँ आ गई है? To my right side. And the caudal limb is now to the left side because of this initial 90 degrees rotation, right? Then when these loops, or we should say right now it's just the primary intestinal loop, returns to the abdominal cavity, because कौन से week में ये retraction होगी? 10th week में, 10 to 12 week में, right? When they return to abdominal cavity, the remaining 180 degrees counterclockwise rotation will occur. So now I'm going to perform that remaining counterclockwise rotation, like so. Because of this rotation, you can see that this part of the caudal limb, it is passing in front of the cranial limb. This part of the caudal limb will form transverse colon. It is now passing in front of this cranial limb, which part will form the duodenum. So we can say that because of the counterclockwise rotation, eventually the transverse colon passes in front of the duodenum. ठीक है? So this was about the rotation of the primary intestinal loop during herniation and also at the time of retraction. ठीक है? यहाँ तक की बात हो गई? Good.